Hello everyone. What's up? So, today we will learn how to mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. simply on our PC. Wait, but why we need to mine cryptocurrencies? Because it's trending day by day. Many billionaire and millionaire are invest their money in cryptocurrencies. So, why many peoples wants to invest their money in cryptocurrencies? Because the Bitcoin network is a peer-to-peer payment network that operates on a cryptographic protocol. The peer-to-peer architecture of blockchain allows all cryptocurrencies to be transferred worldwide, without the need of any middleman or intermediaries or central server. And another reason is increasing value of cryptocurrencies. We all know that, in 2010, value of Bitcoin is equal to some cents, and now, value of Bitcoin is equal to $47,352 US. So follow my steps and learn how to mine cryptocurrencies. Open your browser and search cryptex. Click here. This is cryptex website. Here you sign up through your Gmail ID and click on download. This is your cryptex dashboard. Here you see your total balance. Scroll down and click on Download cryptex. It takes some time. After download, you install this program in your PC. After installation, open cryptex. Here you enter your email and password. After this, installation start. Wait, it takes some time. If you want this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and put likes and comments on my videos. Now, it is open, and your mining will start. Remember one thing, more powerful computer give more mining, because it depends upon GPU and CPU. Click here to stop and start mining. And for set timer, click on settings. Here you see your account and your mining settings. In mining you see my system is run on CPU, because my PC have not GPU. If you want earn more, then click on Pro mode. Pro mode is open. Here you earn more if you have good GPU and CPU. GPU give more mining compared to CPU. Remember one thing, if your PC processor is not good and you don't have GPU, then you shouldn't be mining, because it take more processing power and your weak system hardware get damaged. So before mining you check your PC capability. Now, back to cryptex website to payment. For payment click on Request Payment. Here you see many option for payment. Here, you can also payment in Bitcoin and Ethereum. See, here you enter your amount. Remember, it takes some fees for each transaction. So, always payment in huge amount. Here, you need Bitcoin wallet address. To get address, follow me. Search Coinbase to get address. Click here. Now, Coinbase website is open. Here you sign up with your email. I click on sign in because I already created account. Now, here you scroll down and click on Bitcoin to get Bitcoin address. Click on receive. Scroll down, and this is your address. Now copy this address and go back to cryptex website and paste this address in Bitcoin address. Now you ready for payment. If you want to payment in Ethereum, then follow previous steps. Transaction fees is different for different payment methods. To get Ethereum address, go back to Coinbase. Now, click on Home page to select Ethereum. And here click on Ethereum. Click on Receive. Scroll down, copy Ethereum wallet address. And paste on CryptTex for transaction. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.